ఆంధ్రప్రదేశ్ ప్రత్యేక హోదా అంశాన్ని పార్లమెంట్లో లేవనెత్తాలని పలువురు పార్టీ అధినేతలకు ఎంపీలకు వినతి పత్రం ఇచ్చిన షర్మిలారెడ్డి. ఈ కార్యక్రమంలో భాగంగా సిపిఎం ప్రధాన కార్యదర్శి సీతారాం ఏచూరి, డీఎంకే ఎంపీ తిరుచి శివ, ఎన్సీపీ అధినేత శరద్ పవార్ ను కలిసిన ఏపీసీసీ చీఫ్ వైఎస్ షర్మిలారెడ్డి.
What is happening? Ours is an agrarian-based state with a special category status.
New boss or new president.
Sir, we came basically. You are the architect of.
Real mobile phone.
So, Talaiwar, yes. It is your duty now. We are
Not one of the promises was implemented. We were promised 5 years of special status. We said we will make it 10 years. That was not done. We were promised Polavaram project 90% of the fund will be given. We were not given. We were promised a capital city. We were not given. We were promised a development of the port called Dugarajapatnam. We were not given. We were promised a steel plant in Kadapa. We were not given that also. We were promised a special railway zone in Visakhapatnam. That also we were not given.
to